What is up, YouTube? This is your girl Rita Shay, and I am back with another video. Welcome to my quarantine series. For this look today, I am going to be giving you this nice green eyeshadow look, and I just wanted to give it to you for springtime. It's almost summer, you know, bright colors are popping. So yeah, this is just the look I was going for, and it actually came out well. Now, what I would say is it probably took me like 45 minutes to do this look. Normally when I do this look or eyeshadow look in general, it would take me probably an hour plus, but I did this really fast and I'm excited about how it came out. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep it locked. Alright, y'all, so today I'm gonna be doing a voiceover because I didn't feel like talking when I was recording this video, but my face is freshly washed, my eyebrows are on. You can go to my eyebrow tutorial to look at how I do that. And now I'm just applying my concealer, and I'm going to speed this up, and then, you know, I'm just going to blend it in, make sure it gets all over the eye, so when I put my eyeshadow it will be good, it will apply easily and all that good stuff. Next, I'm going to take that contour palette and go in with the darkest color. And I'm going to pat that in to give it a nice base consistency. Yeah, I don't know what I be talking about. I just be talking. I don't even know if those are the right terms. I'm going to go in with my MAC, what is that, press powder. And again, everything will be linked in the description below. I'm just going to apply that over my lid. And then we are going to go in with my box of crayons palette from the Crayon Case collection. You can see the camera in the background of the mirror. I'm going to take the dark green and I'm going to take the lime green for this look. So first I'm going to go in with the dark green and put it on the outer edges of my eye and just pat it in so it can be pigmented. And then I'm going to take some more Fenty concealer and prime my eye so I can go ahead and put that lime green on top. I'm going to take the lime green and just press it on top of the concealer, and as you can see, it makes it more pigmented so it won't get lost between the other green. And this is kind of like a cut crease, but not really a cut crease. It's like messy, like real messy, because I'm still not sure on how to officially do those, but you know, this is the best way I can get that look without effing it up all the way. And then I'm going to take some white eyeshadow from that box of crayon palette from the Crayon Case and just put it at the beginning of my eye. Don't worry if it's messy, I'm going to clean it up. And right now I'm taking my e.l.f. eyeliner and lining up my eye, making a wing and all that stuff. You can see it better on this side, but yeah, I'm making my wing. And I went ahead and put on my lashes off camera because y'all know I don't want y'all to see me. But I do have a new concept that I use, so I will be showing y'all that later in another YouTube video on how I apply my lashes. Right now, I'm just cleaning up under my eyes and concealing it with my concealer from Fenty. I'm gonna take a sponge and wet it using my spray bottle and just pat that in. This is kind of a glam look, so I wanted it to be like, you know, super highlighted. I'm gonna take my 355 foundation from Maybelline and just put it under my eyes. Y'all know how to do my foundation. If you need a more detailed video, go to my everyday look and I'll break it down. And just blend that in. Make sure you get your T-zone. I'm going to take my 360 Maybelline and go on the outer edges of my face. And once again, you can catch that on my everyday look. And then once again, I'm going to go ahead and conceal under my eye again with that Fenty to brighten it up. And I also do my forehead, my upper lip, and my chin. I don't do my nose. Some people do it, I don't. I'm just going to take a brush, spray it with water, and pat that in. And in the video, it looks like I'm rubbing it in. I'm actually patting it in. You want to pat it in so you won't mess up your foundation. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to take my, what is this? I don't even know what this is. I can't even think right now. It's like Sacha Buttercup my setting powder. And I'm going to go over that concealer that I made. And then I'm going to take my contour palette from, what is that, Black Radiance, and just go in and contour the outer areas of my face with the dark color, or the contour color. And then I'm going to brush the excess setting powder away as much as I can, because I think I let it sit too long, but it's alright. I'm gonna fix it in a little bit. As you can see, I took that bronzer color. Yeah, I don't have the makeup in front of me right now, so I can't even tell y'all what I'm talking about. But you know, the middle color on the palette, I took that and I'm going over the setting powder. And then I'm gonna take my Anastasia, whatever her name is, setting spray, and spray it. And right here, I decided to use a sponge so I could do my waterline white, and I wouldn't mess up my foundation. Normally, I do this beforehand, but I chose to do it after, and the sponge helped me not mess up my makeup. So I think I'm going to continue to do it like this from now on. As you can see right here, I took that green color that we used before, the lime green color, and I'm going under my waterline to give it a pop. I'm going to take my mascara and just hit up my under lashes. Make sure y'all keep some baby wipes or something by y'all so y'all can wipe your hands and get the excess makeup off your lip if you need to, like I'm doing. And right here I decided to put some of that oil on my cheekbone to give it a highlight when I put my what am I talking about? My Black Radiance highlight on. You see how it's shining right there? So I think I'm gonna use this from now on. I like this technique. Okay, so we're lining our lips with the Jumbo Lip Pencil. And then I am going to take my crayon case Marie. And I'm gonna put it on my lips. And just go in and do any other finishes you need to do. Okay, friends, so this is the final outcome of this look. Hopefully you all got somewhere similar to this, if not better, because like I said before in my other videos, I am not a professional. You know, I don't do this on the regular, so you know, this is something that I just enjoy as a hobby. But yeah, so if you recreate this look, please feel free to tag me in it on social media, and I will repost you. Yeah, so if you like this look, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that I am doing my quarantine series and I am bringing more looks to you like this. So future videos to come will include different colors. So yeah, let's get into it.